Most AI agent failures don't come from bad models or buggy code. They fail because of poor context engineering. While developers focus on prompts and model selection, the real bottleneck is how we manage and deliver context to LLMs. So what is context engineering? It's the art and science of giving LLMs the right information, tools, and format at the right time. Unlike prompt engineering, which is static, context engineering orchestrates dynamic systems that adapt to changing inputs, data, and interactions. Research shows the difference is dramatic. Well-engineered context pipelines boost performance from 26.7% to 43.3% on complex tasks. That's the difference between cheap demos and production-ready AI products. Here's why context engineering matters. It balances relevance, structure, and context window limits, while orchestrating data from multiple sources, APIs, memories, tools, and databases. Without it, agents hallucinate, fail tasks, or break down. So what's inside effective context engineering? System instructions that define behavior. User inputs processed and validated. Tools and APIs integrated dynamically. Knowledge retrieved and filtered. And memory that manages both short-term and long-term context. Frameworks like LangGraph, LlamaIndex, and vector databases make this possible, helping developers control context flows, manage retrieval, and keep systems reliable at scale. Real-world applications prove it. Customer support agents that combine ticket history, product data, and policies. Research assistants that synthesize academic sources. Code generation systems that stay consistent with project standards. The future of AI depends on mastering context. As apps evolve into agentic systems, context engineering is the skill that transforms static chatbots into reliable, production-ready AI products. At Kubia, we help businesses build AI that works in the real world by engineering context the right way. Stop building demos. Start building AI that delivers value. Talk to our team today.